Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Okay, in today's video I'm going to fix the error 6. So here I have a treadmill. Different manufacturer gives a different name, but particularly it's a lifestyle, and here it's a card. And whenever we plug this power up this card, it behaves like this, error 6. So here we have error 6. So we don't know where's the problem, because here we have a card, and although I have identified the problem, where the problem is, because when you purchase these treadmills, they give you the user manual, but unfortunately in those user manuals you don't have error codes and their association. For example, here's the error 6, but we don't know what's the meaning of error 6 or what it stands for, why it is appearing. So I have identified it, because here you can see that I have not plugged this wire. So this is the motor wire, and once we plug this, here I have plugged this, and now I'm going to power off, again on. Now here you can see there's no error 6. So most probably when you have connected these wires, and most of the time you will have collected these wires, but in DC motors we have carbon bushes at the sides. At both sides we have carbon bushes. So if the carbon bush is worn out, and due to that reason it's become difficult for you to it gets error 6, because if your motor is not connected, or if there are no carbon bushes in the motor, it will show you the error 6. So you have to check carbon bushes as well. So here I'm starting this machine, and here I connected the motor, and it's driving its motor. So the error 6 of this sort of issue is due to either your motor is not connected, carbon bushes of motor is worn out, or might be the issue of the card, but mainly it will show you the errors is whenever your motor is not connected. Thank you very much.